So if you're looking for a sweet summertime spritz cocktail, today I'm going to show you how to make the Fairy Floss Spritz. Okay guys, so this is probably more for my Australian viewers because unfortunately we can't get the Camorra Fairy Floss overseas. I'm going to show you how to make a sweet summertime, wintertime, anytime spritz, because spritzes are massive at the moment in Australia. I know they are everywhere else around the world. And I wanted to do something that's really, really easy to make. This is called the Fairy Floss Spritz, and it's really easy. So it is just 30 mils of the Camorra Fairy Floss Liqueur. Camorra, yes, this is my brand. I've been making it for a few years, and it is really, really popular here in Australia. Next up, 15 mils of some gin. Just to booze it up a little bit more. Add some ice to that. All right, I like to add a couple squeezes of lemon just to balance out the sweetness. For my viewers from around the world, Fairy Floss in Australia is kind of like cotton candy. All right, and just to dry it out a little bit as well, we're going to do some sparkling wine or Prosecco. About 150 mils, that's all. And that's it. This is a built cocktail made in the glass. We give it a little bit of a stir. How simple is that? It's a Fairy Floss Spritz. Gonna give it a try. Like I haven't tried this one before, right? So, super easy to drink, but well balanced. I've opened up a pop-up gin bar here recently, the last couple of months in Geelong, because we are at limited numbers because of COVID. And this has been one of the biggest sellers by far, even outselling the Aperol Spritz. So I'm going to put the link at the bottom of my comments. Please guys, check it out. You can get it off hairydog.com, or if you're a customer of Paramount Liquor in New South Wales, South Australia or Victoria, you can just order it through there. If you live local to me, you know where to buy it. It's really popular down here. Please like, subscribe. See you again soon guys on Let's Talk Drinks.